Five now. My name is MC Shaggy. You watch me live on. Okay, one Wazobia TV. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. One phone swag, but don't forget the swagger. Still be yourself. Never the matter. Back there, the matter already for Gram. Be say, we get one sweet question. If they all the tune in, straight here, channel 195, start time. Make it not touch the die. The question when I carry enter street today, the question are like, if you date girl before, and you date this girl, you can't leave her. As you leave the girl, small time something can happen with you and your mama and your papa can't get problem. Or maybe your mama can't die. Then your papa say want remarry. As you want go remarry, you can't say na the girl where you date before. Now your papa won't marry. You go agree make them do that marriage. You go accept her. You go allow her. Another small baby go happen, but you go allow her. Check her out. Me, I'm not going to allow her. I'm not sure. Still on the matter. Take it. People enter street, we know how far, how they be. We know. We just, yeah, poor opinions. Take it. Okay. Bros, now good afternoon. Now good morning. How far now? More gist. Now just small gist. Just small gist. You dey hurry, and you know they run. They hurry, but you know they run. All right, bros. Good afternoon. How far? Wazobia TV. How far? How you dey? You dey hear me? Oh yeah, stay now. No waka. Just cool down. See what you dey there. You get one question I want to ask you now. As you dey like this, you don't marry, abi?
No marry.
Don't marry. You feel allow, your father. You feel allow your papa. I know so they go somewhere because if you know they go somewhere, no people come up for house. If you allow your papa marry your ex-girlfriend.
If you like.
Eh?
If you like.
If you like.
Yeah.
If you like, abi. Still not the matter. Everybody say the guy say if you like. The guy just wants to make it. The guy just wants to make it. Bros, good afternoon. Wazobia TV. I know what to be your problem. What is your problem now? Where the motor? This motor? More repair am. What you do?
God go repair am.
Okay, may I ask you one question quickly before you solve the problem? See here, as you do like this, if you allow your papa marry your ex-girlfriend.
No.
Why?
No go happen.
Why?
No go happen, oga.
You know, no maybe up now. Your
No go
papa say come like
happen, I beg you.
Why say no go happen?
No go happen.
All right, still on the matter straight here on Wazobia TV. Now the question of the bros after that. How far are you? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well done. Hold on. Are you better? See as you dey like this, if you allow your papa, marry the woman when they say you don't date before, your person won't remarry, and maybe some, or your mother not there with your father again, say won't remarry. If you allow your papa marry your ex-girlfriend.
It's not possible.
Why?
It's not good now.
Just speak peace, no worry, not speak.
No, it's not.
It's not good.
It's not good.
Why is it not good?
It's not good.
But now your pal love him now, not be one marry.
It's not good. It's not good.
Not good. All right, still on the matter on street chance or Wazobia TV. The guy say no, it's not good. Bros, how far? Wait till me. Bros. Nigerians the best. I tell you, back at that, Nigeria the best. Why the best? I tell you, I used to talk with every provocation. Back at that. Bros, how far? How you doing?
Fine now.
Well, you don't say today.
Nah, Kai no allow us not to sell.
Kai not allow now, sir.
At all.
I mean, this somebody don't Kai made them stop now.
They not allow more. They just they threaten us all the
It's very
time.
cool. And when they collect, if all this guy they carry the load, what's the reason they do?
They carry and go allow us. They not allow you. They will not even return it back.
What's the reason say they do?
I don't know, my dear.
How you go there just 6 people load, you not go release them for them.
That is.
Then they sell a house shop.
They are selling.
If they sell a house shop, who they give the money?
They will carry it to
What inside their pocket?
That is.
So Kai go collect the money.
Yes.
When they collect, they go sell a house shop.
Yes, sir.
Hey, God deal. But make I ask you the question when make me enter street because not be Kai matter make me enter street. As today now, if you allow your papa marry your ex-girlfriend,
No.
why?
It's an abomination for our place now.
Why you go be like that? Yeah, when you don't date before, you and I not date again. No.
My papa can't do that now because in our we have rules that are guiding our community.
Which side from which community?
Ebonyi State. I come from Ebonyi State. Yeah.
So you know if you go marry Your papa no fit marry.
My papa can't do that
Okay, woman when you don't run things to before.
at all.
Papa no fit do am.
We can't do it.
Something like Amadioha go knock am.
That is.
Na get Amadioha there.
You really know.
All right, still on the matter on Straight Chance on Wazobia TV. Okay, Alpha, good afternoon. Wazobia TV. What will be the latest news today? I see you carry newspaper.
Buhari don't change the service chiefs.
Service chiefs.
Yes.
You change all of them.
All of them.
For sure, all of them.
All of them.
They come bring in new one.
One bring new person.
They are called here say Buhari say may they try save the image of the military in Nigeria. Say the military images don't go. They don't spoil the image of military. Not true, Abi.
Now true, now so you talk am.
So, are you a military man?
I'm not a military man, I'm a civilian.
But you clean all your beers.
That's why they do am.
That's why they do.
But I'm not happy with what Buhari do. Oh. He change all the whole people. He no put any Igbo man for that position. No any Igbo man at all. And I was not happy with him. All of them now Hausa and Yoruba only. Only one Calabar man, one day inside. One man. Whether Iba, you know Iba.
Okay, come, not be waiting, make me stop you with that. Okay, question why make me stop you now be say yes. Why be say if you feel allow your papa marry your ex-girlfriend?
No, I don't feel allowed.
Why?
You know they good now. For my own culture, now taboo ebi. Now abomination. Yes. For my own culture.
Papa love the guy.
My follower, but for my own culture, they don't allow am.
They not go allow.
Yes, so.
The whole family will gather for your power.
The whole village itself.
The whole
Go
village.
disown the papa, send her out of the village.
All right, still on the matter. Street Chance on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, make you not touch it that. Make it that. Make. All right, if you watch me live, now start to wrap up for today. See, people not to like what you not good, what you good, according to Two-Face and Tony Warwick. Make it. Don't touch the that.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.